Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your loans with Discover Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your loans with Discover Bank, start by visiting their official website. Locate the loan section on the home page. Choose the type of loan you are interested in, whether it's personal, student, or another type. Click on the loan type to read its details and requirements. Review the eligibility criteria to ensure you qualify. Check the interest rates and terms associated with the loan. Prepare the necessary documents such as proof of income, identification, and credit history. Navigate to the online application portal. Fill out the application form with accurate information. Double-check your details for any errors before submission. Submit your application and wait for confirmation of receipt. Keep an eye on your email for updates from Discover Bank regarding your application status. If approved, review the loan agreement carefully before signing. Follow any additional instructions provided to secure the loan funds. Once secured, manage your loan by setting up automatic payments for convenience. Stay informed about repayment terms to ensure timely payments. Utilize any financial tools offered by Discover Bank to help manage your loan effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.